Hello friends, let us solve some more examples on applications of derivative. So this time we take the examples of error and approximate values. So let us take the examples now. So there is 4% error in measuring the period of a simple pendulum. The approximate percentage error in length is blank. Now we know the formula that is also given 2 pi to root of L by G. The options are 4%, 8%, 2%, 6%. Now friends, here I give one simple shortcut. We don't need to do much work. Like this t is 2 pi root L root G, that this is a constant, so we can say that t is proportional to root L, or you can say t square is proportional to L. That means now the derivative of t square is 2t. So therefore percentage error in L equal to 2 times percentage error in t. Now you are given 4% error in measuring the period t. So 2 into 4%, so that is nothing but 8% error in L. So answer is 8% error in L. Okay. Next let us take approximate value of 31 power 1 by 5 is blank. So options here is 2.01, 2.1, 2.0125 and 1.9875. Now sometimes friend, do see the options also. We know what we know, 32 power 1 by 5 is 2, and now we are asked 31 power 1 by 5, so that must be less than, very less than 2, near to 2 but less than 2. Only one option is there in our options, like 2.01, 2.1, 2.0125. So very quickly, you without doing anything, you can answer 1.9875. Of course we are solving the example, but sometimes you need to see this kind of things also. So let us take fx is x power 1 by 5. What is f dash x? F dash x is 1 by 5 x power minus 4 by 5. Now take x is equal to 32. X plus delta x is 31, and therefore delta x is minus 1. Now what is f of 32? F of 32 is 32 power 1 by 5, and that is 2. What is f dash 32? F dash 32 is 1 by 5, 1 upon 32 power 4 by 5. so that is 1 by 5, 1 over 2 power 4, so this is 1 over 80, 16 into 5. Okay, now we want to find out 31 power 1 by 5, so that we consider as f of x plus delta x, and that we know it is nothing but fx plus f dash x delta x. So what is fx here? That is f of 32 plus f dash 32 delta x. F of 32 is 2, f dash 32 is 1 by 80, and delta x is minus 1. So 1 by 80 you can easily find out. So 2 minus 1 upon 10, 1 over 8. 1 over 8 you can easily find out, that value is 0.125. So that is nothing but 2 minus 0.125 by 10, so 0.0125, and so that is nothing but 1.9875. So that is our answer. Next, let us take the height and radius of a cylinder are equal. An error of 2% is made in measuring height. The approximate percentage error in volume is blank. Options are 6%, 4%, 3%, 2%. Now see, P equal to pi r square h, and so equal to pi, height and radius are equal, so pi h and r, so pi r cube. Okay, and therefore percentage error in V equal to 3 times percentage error in R, because derivative of R cube is 3R square. Okay, now here we are given 2% error in height. So height and radius are equal, so you can also have like pi h cube also. So 3 into percentage error in height also. So this is equal to 3 into 2, and so that is nothing but 6%. So answer is A option. Now let us take another example. If log 4 base e equal to 1.3868, then approximate value of log of 4.01 base E is blank. Options are 1.3867, 1.3869, 1.3879, 1.3893. So now again this is not difficult. You want log of 4.01. Now see, log function is increasing and log 4 base E 1.3868, and therefore log 4.01 base E must be greater, maybe little near, but greater than 1.3868. So that you should take care. So this A option will never be there. Okay. Now let us solve. Fx is log x base E, and we know f dash x is 1 over x. Now let x is equal to 4. So f of 4 is log 4 base E. Okay, and that is given to us, that is 1.3868. Now f dash 4 is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 you can consider as 25 by 100, so 0.25. Now we know f of x, okay, x plus delta x is 4.01, and therefore delta x is 0.01, and we know f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to fx plus f dash x delta x. So this is now log of 4.01. Now f of 4 is 1.3868, f dash, so 0.25, and delta x is 0.01. So this is equal to, approximately equal to 1.3868 plus 0.0025, and so is approximately equal to 1.3893. Okay, so 1.3893. So the D option is our answer. Okay, so let us take now one more example. That the circumference of a circle is 20 centimeter, and there is an error of 0.02 centimeter in its measurement. the approximate percentage error in area is blank. So options are 0.02, 0.2, pi, 1 by pi. So now what is given? Circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is 20 centimeter. So C 20 centimeter. There is an error of 0.02 centimeter in its measurement. So delta C is 0.02. Okay. Now, and area. So we want to find out approximate percentage error in area. So area formula is pi r square. So we want the percentage error in area. So can we do like this? That means we want to find out delta A by A into 100. That we want to find out. This is called percentage error in area. Okay. So now can we write dA by dC equal to dA by dr upon dC by dr. So 2 pi r upon 2 pi, and so that is nothing but r, and therefore delta A is equal to dA by dC into delta C. So dA by dC is r and delta C is 0.02. Okay. Now can we write delta A by A into 100 equal to r into 0.02 100 and here A. Okay. So this is equal to r into 0.02. A is what? Pi r square. Okay. And into 100. So this is equal to 0.02 into 100, or you can say this is 0.2. Okay, only 2. Over pi r. Now see pi r. So what we are given, pi r is C by 2. So see here, C equal to 2 pi r. So pi r equal to C by 2, and C is given 20. So 20 by 2, and so that is nothing but 10. So we can put it here 10. So this is 2 by 10. So that is nothing but 0.2. So therefore 0.2 percentage error in area. So answer is 0.2%. Okay. Let us take one more. Okay. So let us now take this one. The radius of a circular metal plate when heated increases by 2%. If its radius is 10 centimeter, then the increase in its area is blank. Options are 4 pi centimeter square, 4 pi centimeter, 20 pi centimeter square, and 2 pi centimeter square. Now see, we want to find increase in its area, so this centimeter unit, so this naturally not be there as the answer, so that certain things you need to very quick. Now what is formula? A equal to pi r square. Then what you are given? Radius of a circular metal when heated increases by 2%. So radius increases by 2%, delta r by r into 100 equal to 2. When its radius is 10 centimeter, so when r equal to 10 centimeter, increase in its area, so delta a we need to find. Now so delta r equal to 2 by 100 into r, and r is 10, so 2 into 10 by 100, and so that is nothing but 0.2. Now delta a is equal to 2 pi r delta r, so 2 pi r is what? 10, and delta r is 2 by 10.2. Okay, so what is the answer? 4 pi centimeter square. So this is the option. Okay, next let us take the approximate value if, okay, let us say this one, if the error in measuring the area of a circle is 4%, then error in measuring radius is blank %. So here options are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now that is easy. Area equal to pi r square. That means percentage error in A equal to 2 times percentage error in R, because derivative of R square is 2R. So that's all. You are given area error is 4. So this is 4 into 2 into percentage error in R, and therefore percentage error in R is 2%. So the option is A. Okay. Now the next is let us take one more example. Approximate value of sine inverse 0.51 is blank. Options are pi by 6 minus 1 upon 50 root 3, pi by 3 plus 1 over 50 root 3, pi by 3 minus 1 over 50 root 3, pi by 6 plus 1 over 50 root 3. Now see the sine inverse 0.51. So sine inverse 0.50, that means sine inverse 1 by 2, that we know it is pi by 6. So our answer should be little bit greater than pi by 6. Okay, little bit greater than pi by 6. So this should not be there. This mostly be there. Pi by 6 plus 1 over 50 root 3. Okay. So that you should take care. This naturally not that. This naturally without even calculation. Sometimes by looking to the options you can able to solve it. But let us solve it here. Fx equal to sine inverse x. Let x is equal to 0.50 or you can say 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2, and that is 50 pi by 6. Next is f dash x. F dash x is 1 over root 1 minus x square, and therefore f dash 1 by 2 equal to 1 over root 1 minus 1 by 4, and so this is equal to 2 by root 3. X plus delta x is 0.51, and therefore delta x is 0.01. Then we know f of x plus delta x is approximately fx plus f dash x delta x, and therefore sine inverse 0.51 equal to fx is pi by 6, f dash x is 2 by root 3, and delta x is 1 by 100. So this is pi by 6 plus 1 over 50 root 3, and so option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next let us see approximate value of log of 30.1 base 10 is blank, and you are given log of 3 base 10 is 0.4771. Options are 0.4758, 1.4785, 0.4785, and 1.5095. Sometimes we can eliminate some of the options. Now you are given log of 30.1 and log 3 base 10 you are given 0.4771, so it should be naturally greater than 1. Okay, because 1.4771 nearly like that, so these two options never be there, so it may be from here or here. Okay, so that certain things you can easily able to do it, because log 30 base 10, so that is nothing but log of 10 into 3 base 10. So log 10 base 10 plus log 3 base 10. So this is 1 plus log 3 base 10. And log 3 base 10 is 0.4771. Okay. So this is log 30 base 10 and you are asked log 30.1. So it should be very much near and greater than 1.4771. So 1.4771, that should be greater than like that. So naturally this is also not the answer because it is 1.50, and it should be greater than 1.47, but it should be near also because it is just now 0.1, so it should be like this. But let us solve. So let f(x) is equal to log x base 10. Now f of 30, just we find f of 30, log 30 base 10, so we can do it here, this part, and so that is 1.4771. Now f(x) equal to log x base 10, we can write this as log x base e over log 10 base e, and so this is equal to log e base 10 into log x base e. Now log e base 10, we know that is standard 0.4343 into log x base e. F dash x is 0.4343 into 1 by x. So 0.4343, now that is f dash 30. Zero 0.4343 into 1 by 30, and you can easily now do this process, and 0.01448, it's not difficult, like 0.43 by 3 now. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, then 13, so 3 fours are 12, then 14, so again 3 fours are 12, then 23. Okay, so 3 sevens are 21, so 7 and little bit greater, so it's either 8 or 7 you can have, so it's not difficult. And therefore f of x plus delta x is approximately f(x) plus f dash x delta x, and that is 1 point. So this is log of 30.1 base 10, so that is 1.4771 plus f dash x. F dash x is 0.01448 into delta x. What is delta x? So x plus delta x is 30.1, so delta x is 0.1, so 0.1, and so this is nothing but 1.4771 plus 0.001448, and you can just see the answer 1.47, then that is a 7 plus 1 8, and then 1 plus 4 5. So that is the answer, and so this is the answer B. Okay, so that is the way we can solve the examples by using the okay.